Hey, I am now 1 week on testosterone. My leg is absolutely killing me. Hey, I'm now 2 weeks on testosterone. And the cat won't stop throwing up literally everywhere. I'm being impatient. Hey, I'm now 3 weeks on testosterone. I sang before an E3 to a C6. And now I can sing from a D3 to a D6. Hey, I am now 1 month on testosterone, but something I really need to mention! Singing becomes very difficult. It's possible, but it's a pain in the I keep on trying, but I felt like I was gradually just getting worse and worse and worse. Hey, I'm now 1 month and 1 week on testosterone. Hey, I'm now 1 month and 2 weeks on testosterone. I feel like I've already changed a lot, so it's been interesting. Hey, I'm now 1 month and 3 weeks on testosterone. I'm just getting a kick out of this, really. Hey, I'm now 2 months on testosterone. I look forward to shot day, but some things have happened to where when I used to do my shots, I felt no pain. Just the normal, getting adjusted to testosterone kind of hurts. But this is a different kind of pain. I've stabbed myself through 2 of my fingers before with this fucking needle. Not this exact one, but this size. And I've also done things where I forget to change the needle and I stab myself real good with the dull one. Anyway, I really don't recommend that. Hey, I'm now 2 months and 1 week on testosterone. I did not brush my hair today, obviously. I did a really bad job because, I don't know if you can really see it, but I cut my neck really bad. Hey, I'm now 2 months and 2 weeks on testosterone. I couldn't really sleep, and I was having bone pain, so I guess that's going to indicate another growth spurt of some kind. So, yeah, that's great. Hey, I'm now 2 months and 3 weeks on testosterone. I just did my first actual full 3-hour workout sort of thing. I noticed a huge difference strength-wise. I mean, I'm not going to say it's a great amount of strength, but I can lift a bit heavier weight, even though I took several months off of lifting. Hey, I'm now 3 months on testosterone. Today I had a lot of, discomfort on my voice. I mean, mentally no, but physically, it was just more annoying to have to talk because it was just doing its thing, being all scratchy and sore. A lot of random goose noises. Honks or random popping sounds in my throat. That probably means a drop's coming soon, which is good, because I haven't had one for a very long time. Hey, I'm now 4 months and 2 weeks on testosterone. Things are going well right now, but just personally with me right now is a little bit rough, gender-wise, but, I mean, it's okay. Hey, I'm now 8 months on testosterone. This is an update that covers several months because I haven't wanted to update. I didn't feel like there were any changes, but okay. A little bit of voice drop, my full neck area and sideburns can grow a beard, but I don't grow it out because I think it looks gross on me. I got a little bit taller, put on some more muscle, was able to lose a lot of weight from just exercise efforts. I'm growing my hair out. I haven't cut it since probably I started transitioning, so it's getting long. You absolutely smell like shit all the time, smelly boy. Current. Okay, fine, that's true. I do smell terrible, but I wear cologne, okay? And I shower twice a day. So if you do that, that really helps because, yeah, you might smell terrible while you're on tea. It's you can't really help it. He always says horrible things. Hey, I'm now 9 months on testosterone. I'm a week late to update, but I don't care, it's fine. Hey, I'm now 10 months on testosterone. What the heck is this? Okay, so look at this. This is supposed to be my quiz for Spanish, but everybody's burnt. Look. Everyone's just done. Yeah. I just have really long hair now. Hey guys, I'm now 11 months on testosterone. Oh gosh, I can't believe my 1 year is coming up so quick. It went by so fast. I really don't, I just stopped noticing voice drops, but I think that's just me being crazy, because it definitely has, because I can sing a little differently now. Hey, I'm now 1 year on testosterone. I have really long hair now, and I don't plan on cutting it. So yeah, life is pretty good.
Whoa, did you really think I was gonna cut my hair? No. Well, you were wrong. I'm gonna shave it.